And the middle of the week is here, and it's just flying by, Maria. So are we seeing hot and dry? What is the weather looking like?
Well, we could be seeing just a little bit of everything as we enter the weekend. We could also be seeing some isolated showers in the forecast. But let's take a look at that beach forecast if you do plan to visit South Padre Island for the next 2 days. Thursday, sunny skies. We are going to have breezy to windy conditions at SPI, 89 degrees, that high temperature tomorrow, 85 on Friday. It is going to drop just a bit because we could be seeing some isolated showers and thunderstorms on Friday along the coastal region. But other than that, it's going to be very warm across the Lone Star State. Above average temperatures are going to continue as well across the state of Texas. Could still be seeing some rain activity as well out towards Houston, Beaumont, moving into Louisiana. So if you plan to travel, make sure you keep this in mind. We are looking at that travel forecast across the state of Texas tomorrow. San Antonio with a high of 102. Pretty dry. Houston, as I mentioned, with the chance for showers and thunderstorms. Your full weather forecast is coming up in just a few minutes. I'll see you then. Not only will the excessive heat continue across deep South Texas, but the potential for rain could return as we enter the weekend. Your full weather forecast is coming right up. Good evening, everyone. Switching topics, time to take a look at those weather conditions across the RGV for tonight. Very clear skies across the Rio Grande Valley and along the border area should stay clear and pretty dry for the rest of tonight. It is very warm out there. Temperature is currently sitting at around 89 degrees, not only for McAllen, but for most of Hidalgo and Starr County along the coastal region. Also, those temperatures are trending on the warm side. It feels like 97 degrees out there because of the humidity values that we are still experiencing right here at home. So this afternoon, we stayed 5 degrees above average. We will continue to see above average temperatures for the remainder of this week, eventually into the weekend. As far as those overnight lows, we are staying mainly in the upper 70s and lower 80s across our 4 counties. As I mentioned, it is going to be very warm and pretty muggy out there. What could eventually help a little bit with this hot or warm conditions are the breezy to windy conditions that we could be experiencing for the remainder of this evening. So severe weather risk for South Texas. Tomorrow, we are going to stay out of that weather risk or severe weather risk tomorrow. However, cities in central, north, and east Texas could still be seeing showers and thunderstorms. This includes San Antonio, Austin, moving further north into Killeen, and Houston. So if you plan to visit those cities, make sure that you could be seeing some changes in the forecast for the next 24 hours. So we continue to keep an eye on the tropics, especially the Gulf, for the next 2 days. We are monitoring an area of interest. A tropical wave over the Yucatan Peninsula could eventually move northwest into the Gulf as we head into the weekend. So we will continue to keep an eye on this. It does have a 20% chance of possible tropical development. Now is the time to start preparing your homes for any arrival of any natural disasters like a hurricane. We're just a few days away from entering the peak of hurricane season, which is August 20th through September 11th. So tomorrow going to be very hot out there, 103 in McAllen, 103 as well for the city of Mission. Much hotter out towards Starr County with 105 degrees tomorrow. And as we take a look at those heat indices for the next few days, 108 tomorrow, drop a little bit on the weekend because we could be seeing some showers and thunderstorms in the forecast, but then much hotter next week as those heat index values will reach 110 to 111 degrees. Make sure that you apply the recommendations for heat safety. This includes as well as your pets to protect them, especially during the hottest hours of the day. So as I mentioned, just a slight relief as far as our temperatures for Friday and Saturday, dropping to the upper 90s, showers and thunderstorms in the forecast as we enter the weekend. Count on me to keep you informed. Have a great evening. Stay with us. We've got much more.
Del otro lado del estudio, compañera, muy buenas noches.
¿Qué tal, compañeros? Muy buenas noches. Saludándolos a ustedes con gusto también si todavía nos está sintonizando a esta hora de la noche. Estamos viendo esas imágenes de lo que es la Interestatal 2 muy cerca de la salida Alamo Road. Vemos ya un poco de tráfico en esa zona. Maneje con precaución si va de salida también. Si se encuentra en lo que es la ciudad de Alto Bonito, tiene que manejar hacia Mission. Le tomará 29 minutos para llegar de McAllen hacia Edinburgh con 20 minutos y 30 minutos de Harlingen hacia Brownsville Brownsville. Le repito, importante manejar con mucha precaución.
María es la que nos va a decir, compañera, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo estás?
Con este calor, compañeros, sí, como dicen ustedes, después de las 8, después de las 10, porque de verdad que se siente al momento de salir de casa. Vamos a iniciar con lo que a esta hora tenemos aquí en el Valle de Texas, ese cielo despejado, algunas nubes pasajeras, las cuales se podrían formar durante las próximas horas. Pronóstico seco para esta noche y bueno, tenemos temperaturas ya en esos 87 grados para la ciudad de McAllen, un poco de viento también, velocidades alcanzando las 15 millas por hora. Si hablamos de la sensación térmica, lo que realmente se siente con ese factor de humedad, tenemos ya temperaturas promediando los 94 a 95 grados para lo que es el condado Hidalgo, 91 para el área de Rio Grande, Camargo, Tamaulipas, Reynosa, 31 a 33 grados en centígrados. Seguimos vigilando los trópicos, de hecho incluso hemos estado recibiendo humedad tropical del Golfo hacia nuestra zona, lo cual también ha contribuido al desarrollo de lluvias a través de nuestra región. Lo que estamos monitoreando es esta área de interés sobre la península de Yucatán, tiene un 20% de posible desarrollo tropical en los próximos 7 días, incluso se podría llegar a internar sobre aguas abiertas del Golfo para lo que es el día de mañana o el viernes. Por supuesto, vamos a continuar monitoreando muy de cerca esta situación y si tendrá algún desarrollo tropical en los próximos días. El riesgo de tiempo severo para nuestra área, nos vamos a mantener fuera de ese riesgo. Sin embargo, ciudades como San Antonio y Austin, Houston todavía podrían estar recibiendo lluvias para el día de mañana. Aquí en casa, McAllen con 103 a las 3 de la tarde, vamos a tener esos periodos de sol, 90 grados a las 9 de la noche, todavía muy cálido. Y el fin de semana, tanto para viernes y sábado, podríamos registrar la posibilidad de algunas lluvias en un 20%, principalmente en las primeras horas de la tarde, del día del viernes y sábado. Repito, incluso va a bajar un poco la temperatura, pero los 3 dígitos regresan la próxima semana. Que pase una excelente noche, siga con nosotros, tenemos mucho más.